We have a situation in AI called as a model disgorgement. See, what actually happens is, if the model has been trained on the data, okay, on which it's not authorized for. Okay, the data set and the algorithm gives you what the model is. Okay, and if the algorithm has been trained on the data set and the data set is not authorized. Okay, and if we find that there's a violation, okay, or the consent has not been given by the data subject, it leads to a situation where the data or the information needs to be forgotten. Okay, so one thing we need to understand: the data is on the data set. Okay, and the the when the algorithm works on the data set, we get what is called the model. Model learns. Okay, model learns from the data set. So information is in the model, and the data set is where the raw data is. Okay, so right to be forgotten is one of the rights. Okay, the data subject can actually execute. Okay, in data protection, if the data subject is going to say that I don't want my data to be a part of the AI application. Now the problem is, if it had been a non-AI application, you can delete that particular data set. Okay, that particular row from the data set. It's all fine. But when it comes to an AI, the model has already learned from the data set. So how will you ensure that that learning, okay, something that you unlearn it? Okay, this situation is called the model disgorgement. Okay, you might need to. There are a lot of techniques. Okay, the most common technique is to remove that data set, remove that particular row from the data set, and retrain the model. Okay, on the data set without that particular data. It is time consuming, but we don't have a choice. There are a lot of situations where there are a lot of cases. Okay, which we will be discussing on the further videos, where the federal authority or the regulatory body has asked the organization to remove the data. Okay, in the Federal Trade Commission. Okay, we can look at a lot of examples of the later video that they have found out the model has been trained on unauthorized data. Unauthorized data set is the first of the Google Secure AI framework. Okay, and the organization has been forced to do an unlearning. Okay, of the data. In fact, it could be if right to be forgotten is just one or two data is okay pertaining to a data subject. Okay, but it's going to be an unauthorized data set. The entire model need to undergo what is called the model disgorgement, called the unlearning. Okay, that's why the privacy with respect to the artificial intelligence is always more challenging. Okay, in the normal situation where the AI is actually not there, okay, the data set can be forgotten or can be deleted from the database. Okay, that's not at all a problem. But in case of an AI, because the model has already learned from the data set, the model disgorgement needs to also be executed by the provider. Okay, now this is what the complexity is. AI is adding a lot of complexity to security, a lot of complexity to data protection in every aspect of it. Okay, so every coin has got two sides. Okay, when you look at the functionality and usability, then the other side is actually security and privacy. We need to strike a balance between functionality, usability, security, and privacy. Okay, stay tuned for more information about AI, cyber security, data protection. This is Subramaniam Shankaran signing off from now. Cheers and bye bye.